A white meadow under the blue sky.
Breathe quietly in the morning sunlight. The story of a field full of white flowers, the tranquil melody of nature. When the light comes over the mountain peak, the flowers of the field whisper hope. The wind carries the fragrance gently. This morning unfolds like a dream. Dazzling green, soft white waves. The mountains and fields become one and sing. The soft light at the end of the blue sky. Here the mind finds peace, a day that started at the end of the field. It's like a small festival created by nature. That quiet dance of swaying flower petals, bringing joy that awakens the soul. The sunlight slowly colors time. The mountains flow gently like rivers. Flowers and grass embrace each other. Talk quietly about the morning